Very good. Very true.
You want to see one that I'm definitely putting on? This one. Look at it. It goes on for a while. His mom come up. This is Ryan.
That's his little brother?
Yeah.
Charlie thinks his brother. I don't think it's his brother doing that too. And he does them again. That's good. Talk about there's no volume.
Oh, it's volume on YouTube, but this camera doesn't get good.
Oh, right, because I was watching your videos actually. If you put this on YouTube, and then his brother gets behind it. I pushes him into it. Inside the head. Oh my God, that's inside Austin I never seen before. Oh my God, where's their brother? Look, he slams him into the wall. Oh, and their parents allow it? I'm sure they're used to it. Oh my God. There's how brothers are, eh?
Yeah.
That's okay. I had an older sister too that was like that. Look at him dead. And he likes it. Very good. Yeah, I totally. Oh yeah, look at the big lips. How old is his brother?
Like 8 or something. 8 or 9.
Yeah, that get closer in age. Austin's 12.
8 or 9.
Yeah, you totally. Have you put that on YouTube yet?
No, I'm going to.
I bet you maybe that's what Austin wanted. So do that and then phone him and just let him know that you want.
We're done. We're done being irritated.